Hi students, the first thing I want to tell you is if you're behind in a couple assignments, do not drop, okay? Don't drop the class, hang in there. The other thing I wanted to go into is the schedule for this week, right? Which is the plan due. I'll have my office hour on Tuesday. The thesis statement exercise due Sunday, but the papers and the going to the writing center with the papers are not due until next Tuesday, Thanksgiving week. So you have like this week and 2 days to get your paper together and to do the extra credit assignment. If you need to meet with me this week, please send me an email and say, "Can you meet at 6:30 on a Tuesday night?" I'll come in and I'll see you. A lot of you can't come into the office hours. I've seen a few of you. I've met with a few of you, but don't drop the class because you are behind. Talk to me first. We can work something out. Okay, you can pass this class if you can get your work in. And it's reasonably the qualitative expectations of the assignment. So talk to me. Okay, so this is what we're doing this week. Remember that the modules are in order for a reason. We go down to week 8, and then week 9 is a short week. So you'll take a couple quizzes, but you'll pass this paper in on next week, right? So everything will be due on Tuesday, and then shut your computer off, take the rest of the week off, and then we'll come back and talk about the final essay. So 8 and 9 are kind of a mixed group of things. You don't have a lot to do this week, so use it as catch up, and I will be available to you whenever you need me. And again, for that 7.2 exercise, thank you for keep reaching out. You know, it wasn't clear, those slides. But I hope you found them, and if you didn't, then again, we can talk about that. All right, plow on, don't drop.